Hello, and welcome to the CIVILSETS YouTube channel. Today we are going to review 6,500 square feet plot area. The area of house is 100 by 65 feet. The American-style house is a truly unique concept. The client lived in the United States for a long time and was inspired by the mix and match of architectural and interior design styles of the country. As a result, he wanted to capture the classic elegance of the American style in the interior design of his home. At the front section, we have space for seating and stairs of area 12 feet and 8 inches by 6 feet and 9 inches. Inside of the house, we have a big lobby of area 20 by 25 feet and the common bathroom of area 6 feet and 3 inches by 6 feet. After that, we have family space of area 20 feet and 7 inches by 18 feet for the family functions or for the guests' get-togethers. Then we have a space of area 13 feet by 10 feet and 11 inches for the breakfast attached to the main kitchen of area 16 feet and 4 inches by 13 feet. We have a small library too of area 8 feet by 6 feet. You also use this space as a pantry room. After that we have the main dining room of area 18 feet and 4 inches by 14 feet. Having an arch-shaped windows for the ventilation and decoration. Attached dining room, we have a living room of area 14 feet and 8 inches by 13 feet and 10 inches. The living room is decorated with wall canvas. On the other side, we have a bedroom of area 17 feet and 2 inches by 11 feet and 7 inches. Attached bathroom of spacious area 15 feet by 10 feet and 5 inches. The second bedroom is of area 15 feet by 14 feet and 10 inches. With attached bathroom of area 3 feet and 4 inches by 4 feet. The third master bedroom is of area 15 feet by 18 feet. Having a walk-in closet of area 15 feet by 9 feet and 7 inches. With attached bathroom of area 15 feet by 10 feet. The guest room is of area 14 feet and 2 inches by 13 feet. Having attached bathroom of area 7 feet by 10 feet and 7 inches. At the backyard, we have a beautiful garden space of area 37 feet by 14 feet, having seating area 2 and a laundry room of area 7 feet by 12 feet. Also, that's all for today. Subscribe to CIVILSETS YouTube channel for latest house designs. Make sure to like, share and comment below.